Okay, today we're doing a follow-up on my recent video on cleaning with 22 caliber cleaning pellets. And I got a lot of good feedback. There are smart people out there. So I want to give a shout out to Alfred Henry Sims in Georgia and Low-Key Air Gunner in Canada. Now, Loki was saying you can splice these. This one's solid. It's not hollow, so I didn't really tempt that with this one. But you can, with the hollow one, splice them and put a patch in there. And then you pull it through like a snake. What we're going to do in this video, we're just going to push it. So I wasn't sure if this would work. I thought it'd be a wet noodle, but it does work. So, okay, so here is the cleaning pellet. We have one ready to go inside the gun, again by Air Venturi. So let's go ahead and do this. And remember, so literally I got this out of my shed, cut a piece, wiped it off, make sure it was clean. So pretty easy to find one. And so when we do this, we just push it down. You do got to stay on top of it. You do got to stay on top of it. It is sort of like a wet noodle, but it does offer enough force to push it. So you just feed it in there and slowly. Okay, let's put it up. And there we go. And then one thing I noticed with this BSA Comet, it actually has a small muzzle protector on it. So the actual crown inside is protected. So I'll show you a little trick with that. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, as you'll see, the actual cleaning pellet didn't come out because it's stuck in the muzzle protector in here where it's oversized. So then we just give it a little puff. There we go. And out it comes. Okay, so this one's already obviously a clean gun. So the barrel looks good in that. So anyway, I just want to do a follow-up there. And yes, I definitely am a believer that just getting your basic weed whacker, weed trimmer line, that you can definitely clean your air gun with it. And it's 100% safe on your rifling. Okay, thank you.